This is Samsung's new N650 Soundbar. Now, it looks a little bit like some of the other newer soundbars that Samsung has come out with, but there's a little bit different. You can see that sort of fin design on the back, and if you look a little closer, there's this weird little bar inside it. Now, what that is for is this whole soundbar is sort of aimed towards gaming. Now, of course, it will work for music. It'll also work for movies, but this gaming thing is all about giving you that sweeping feeling that you're inside the game. This little tube, as described to us, is sort of like a flute. It has holes inside it and tweeters on the side. Those tweeters on the side blow inward, and then the sound comes out through the holes. It's supposed to allow the sound to give you this full feeling as if you're actually inside the game. You can feel the different movements of the NPCs, the different effects inside the game sweeping across the span. And that way you have that gaming feeling without having to put on headphones. Now this is Samsung's first time trying to get a gaming-specific soundbar, and it's a very interesting design, probably one of the most interesting designs we've seen. It's got a little bit of the old and a whole lot of the new, and we're hoping to get a chance to try it very soon. We don't have a price for it now, and we don't know when it's going to come out, but this is a very cool new design from Samsung, and for gamers, it's something that you're going to want to keep your eyes on.